Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about how to create an UDP driver. And first, we need to know the APIs of the UDP driver. There are SAN and SAN hex, and the same as the UDP when it is multicast. Also, there are SAN and SAN hex. And now let's come to the edge control software to create a new UDP driver. We'll name it UDP test. Version here is version 1. Top type here choose Ethernet, and protocol here choose UDP. The delimiter, if it is needed, you can enter it. And here you can choose is multicast or not. Then we press OK. And also the main properties, the variable, the timer, the feature, and the driver event, I will not talk about them. I'm going to talk about the protocol. And here we can see the communication and function, and under the communication there is only a on message. Also, here we can print the data we received. We print all of them. From address. From port. And data. We need to convert the data to a string. Then we create a new function to send message. And we set the parameters for it. We send a string parameters called data. Then we use the send to send data. Then we need to call this function in the feature. So we need to create a new feature and name it send message. And we set the string parameters for it. Send. Then we click this debug icon to test the driver. The IP here is the processor's IP. And the IP under the protocol is my PC's IP, because I'm going to send message to my PC. And port, I'm going to set it to 8000. The local port is 20,000. They can be customized. Then we upload it. Driver started successfully. And you will open the test script window. Here, we call feature and select the send message feature, then send UDP sent. Then I'm going to open a tool to check the message that sent from the processor. the UDP, the localhost IP is my PC's IP, and the localhost port is 8000. Connect. And here is to set the remote IP. The remote IP is the processor's IP. And the port is 20,000. Then we run the code to send a message. Here I received the UDP sent. Then here I'm going to send a message back to the processor. And I'm going to send yes. Here we can see it prints the address. The message is from this address and from this port. And the data, the message is yes. And that's all for creating the UDP driver.